Hey everyone, this is Next Archer. I don't believe I showed you guys my zippo after I actually put the silver quarter on it. So here it is, my silver quarter zippo. As you can see, this the quarter is from 1953, and it's on a chrome zippo. I actually got this zippo from Walmart. So it's the Walmart special silver zippo. Yeah. I thought that was pretty neat though. As you can see, it is silver, one solid color. Just thought I should put my first silver quarter find on a zippo. It's kind of special. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.